Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be on the career cracking. I'll be showing you some sick, awesome tricks, like how to put your foot through the frame grab, and also a coast. Let's get into the video. So, step one, how to do a good long wheelie. You want to keep your arms straight, keep it up, and make sure your finger is always on the back brake. So I'll show you an example now. Arms straight. So if you're worried that you're going to go all the way back, just use your back brake to make sure that it's easier to go down instead of falling back. Okay, so if you're worried that you don't know how to wheelie, just comment in the comment section and ask me questions how to wheelie and everything. So if you want to know, just text me on the comment section. And now the next trick is foot through the frame, okay? So basically all you want to do is just lift it up, arms straight again, go all the way back, tap the back brake, quick go like that, and put your arms in. But make sure you twist your foot through like that, okay? So, okay? And if you want to learn how to carry it on, just make sure that you just keep it in the air like this. Okay? So now we're going to be teaching you how to do the frame grab. So the frame grab is just simple. When you wheelie, you're wheeling, holding onto the frame whilst wheeling. So here's a quick. Let me take that. So then I'll be doing it again because that was a fail. Like that, see? All you want to do is hold on to that, put your handlebars this way, wherever your back brake is, turn it that way, and make sure you keep a strong hand and this hand lifting up still. So, like that. And if you want to keep it like this, just keep watching videos I'll be posting up daily. So yeah, and here's the next trick. I'll be teaching you how to coast. So the coast is, you wheelie, go all the way back, and you keep tapping the back brake without pedaling. So, let me do it again. What the hell?
It's the lip in the ground.
Like that, see?
This is your manual.
Basically it's a manual, but
Tapping that
on a
brake.
BMX you'll be going longer. So now, the next one, I think it would like coast, frame grab, and foot through the frame all together. So, let's go. See, that was good, wasn't it?
Oh, I'm cold.
Now watch what I was trying to do. Now, the next challenge is to end this video, really from here to the camera. So let's go.
What?
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put my Instagram in the description, put my Snapchat in the description, my second channel in the description, and also the cameraman himself in the description. Watch him for the daily live streams. So yeah, that's it. So see you later.